Chick here with a tutorial on how to make a cool and realistic looking Lego tripod. I've been trying to make one of these for a really long time. The problem that I had with it was all like the stick pieces that I had to hold the camera up were way too long and it'd go down below it and it'd look just weird. And I finally figured out the piece to use for that, and I will show you that. I think you'll think it's very interesting, like, oh, I would have never thought of doing that. I was so excited when I figured it out. So not only can you fit a camera on it, but check this out, you can actually turn the camera up. It's not going to fall off either. You can turn it side to side without it falling off, and you can angle it forward if you want to make it look like a minifigure is taking a picture of something down there. And you can easily remove it. So I thought that was pretty cool. I even put it like a lens on the camera. And there are these little legs, and you can adjust it if you want it like that, but that looks kind of weird. So you can adjust the height of the tripod, which I think is just really cool and adds to the, just the awesomeness of this. And it is minifigure friendly, so I can bring in my Brick Chick minifigure. Wait a minute, who is that? That does not look like my Brick Chick minifigure. I actually changed the minifigure. I just got to thinking, it doesn't look that much like me. I don't dress that fancily, like change the shirt, and I always wear my hair down. I never wear it in a ponytail. So I did change it, and it is the right height for her. I can even lower it too, if I want to, like that, and then she can take some pictures, or make a video. So, let's get started. Alright, so here are the pieces that I'm using to build the tripod, but you can use whatever color pieces that you would like, and some of these pieces you probably can't substitute them with other pieces. So you will need one 2x2 round plate with the hole in the middle, one 1x2 jumper plate, two 1x1 round studs, and three of these antenna pieces, and then you will also need a knife. And then to build the camera, I'm using one, camera piece, and then two 1x1 round studs, and a 1x1 round tile in clear to make the lens. So, let's get building. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 2x2 round plate with the hole in the middle, and I'm going to place a 1x2 jumper plate right on there. And then I'm going to take two 1x1 round studs. I'm going to place one there and one right next to that. So you have something that looks like this. And then I'm going to take three of these antenna pieces, and I'm going to place one right there on the jumper plate, kind of angle it there, and just kind of turn it up. And then I'm going to place the other two on those studs. And then you can, you can always change it later if you don't like the angle of them. So I think that looks good. Let's see if it stands up. And then you can always just change it. Like that, I got it just right. So I can just set that down there. And then, here's the special piece that I'm using. It is a knife. I was looking for the perfect piece, and I just grabbed this and like, I wonder if this will work. And it turns out that if you stick it right there, it actually goes in. You can't really even see it when it's down. And it doesn't wiggle around, and you can actually stick the camera on it. Alright, so now I'm going to make the camera. I'm just going to take this cool camera piece that I got on Pick-a-Brick. You can get it in some sets, and you can also get it on Bricklink too. So, I'm going to take two 1x1 round studs. I'm just going to place them on that stud on the camera to create kind of a lens. And then to finish that off, I'm going to take one of these 1x1 round smooth tiles that's in clear. Like that. And you can also make the lens shorter or longer if you want to. So then I can just bring this back here, and then you can actually take the camera and you can just set it on that center hole there, and then you can kind of adjust it until you like the angle of it, and then you can actually set that down. So now you know how to make a cool and realistic looking Lego tripod that you can fit a camera on, you can adjust the angle of the camera, and you can actually adjust the height of the tripod. And I guess if you closed all those in, you could fold it up too. So I was looking on YouTube for tutorials on how to make one of these, and I could not find one that was, like a full minifigure scale one. And so I was pretty happy when I was able to figure out how to make one that's actually, minifigure scale, and you can actually, like move the camera and stuff. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and thank you for watching.